Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the complete step-by-step application process for the Egypt Government Scholarship. The Egypt Government Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship offered by the Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research of Egypt for international students wish to pursue Bachelor, Masters and PhD degree program in Egypt. The scholarship benefits include full tuition fee waiver, monthly living allowances, free accommodation, health insurance. So there is no visa fee and also there is no flight ticket. So this is a great opportunity for international students who dream of studying in Egypt at some of the country top universities. So in this video I will show you the complete application process step by step, because I know many applicants find the application process confusing because it is not very straightforward. So however, if you watch this video until then, you will learn how to complete and submit your application successfully without facing the common mistake. So this scholarship is directly from the Egypt Government Scholarship. It's not for Al-Azhar University. Many people, I know, they will think it is for Al-Azhar University. So I think there is no even among the universities that participate on this scholarship, there is no Al-Azhar University definitely. So the scholarship is directly from the government of Egypt, and then many universities in Egypt participate on the scholarship. So before I begin this video, I'd like to remind you this channel is dedicated for scholarship opportunity. We share by scholarship opportunity. So if you have been following our channel, you already know that we only share by and official scholarship opportunities. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to our channel, like the video and turn on the notification bell. So this is the official portal for the Ministry of Higher Education of Egypt. I will also leave the link in the video description so that you can follow along. To start your application, simply click on this register, then provide your information here, write all of the information, create your password, then click on add account. They will share a verification code to you on your email address like this to activate your account. So as you can see, so you click on this activate your account. Then once you activate your account, the portal will direct you to this portal like this. So you can click on this menu, then select this information, list of college and specialization available for undergraduate. This is for postgraduate program. So let's see the available college. So conditional type, you can see you select non-Egypt mother tongue. Then you select certificate type, select your country, like let me say like Nigeria. So select the certificate type. I have my higher school, I say. Then certificate none, I will say that we see West African and NECO. This is the available certifications, you can see. Then certificate, the year of your graduation, let me say like 2022. So here are the available specialization, science or literary, let me say science. Then click on search. So you can see the available program non-Egypt citizens. Also these are the faculties. You can see for if you wish to study under this faculty nursing, so you must have 50% in your high school. Medicine and Capable University, you must have 70% in your school certificate. So here are the available program. You can see them. There are many different programs offered under science, arts, commerce and other related programs. Industrial, veterinary medicine, you must have 60%. So for agriculture, you must have 60%. You can also check it for your postgraduate program. So you can click on this to check for postgraduate program. Click on this academic program. So you see higher school service, postgraduate studies. If you are applying for masters or PhD, you click on this, while this one is for Egypt Culture Center for Teaching Arabic to Non-Native Speaker. The program is not yet announced. Short-term program service. So I'll click on this. Let's go for undergraduate program. So you can see scholarship application. So click on this scholarship application. So you see I have not yet submit any application. I will click on this new request. Then I'll provide my information here. Let me see like So the next step is first degree relative details. So here you will need to provide details of your father and mother details. So I will write this. Then like family name, then state of birth, your father date of birth, passport number of your father, this is optional. Relationship, you can say like father. Nationality, I will select. Nigeria. So after adding your father details, click on this add new. Then select details of your mother again. So date of birth also. Relationship, you say mother. Nationality, then you click on add new again. So you can see details of your father and details of your mother are now added. So after all that, you will see Egyptian acquaintance details. So this section is optional, but if you know anyone in Egypt, such as brother, relative, or friend, so you can provide their details. Including this information may strain your application, but it is not mandatory. If you don't have details of anyone in Egypt, you can ignore the section. Then click on this send request to proceed to the next section. So the next section, as you can see, certificate details, submit a scholarship application admission. So you can say candidate type non-Egyptian, so you select non-Egyptian. If you are from Egypt, so you select, if you graduate from Egypt, you select this. So what I will select non-Egyptian. So I will select certificate name. I will select my country name. Then certificate type, I say that higher school is my last qualification or diploma. So higher school certificate name, you can see if you are from Nigeria, I have already select Nigeria. Then you can upload your certificate either WAEC result or NECO result. So if you are from other countries, different qualification. Let me see, like, so I think Ghana is also the same. So you select high school. Then you can see West African Examination Council. Let me select another country like Pakistan. So you see it's different qualification. Certificate name, you can see Pakistan High School. So this is how you can do it. Select your country and provide your certificate name. Say Nigeria Higher School, West African Examination Council or NECO. Certificate name, so certificate year, so I will select like, let me go with 2023. So specialization, you study under science or arts, so let me say like science. So main information, so here you need to provide details of your subject, English, maths, physics, chemistry, and all that. So let me select the subject here. You can English. So what is your scope? Let me say A1 Nigeria, A1, A B2, B3, C1. So let me say that B2. So I will click on add. Then I will write the order mathematics. So let me say like V3. Click on add. For national education biology, I will select biology. Let me say A1. Click on add. So let me say chemistry. Let me say, so this is how you are going to do it. In case if you graduate from other, if you are from other country like Pakistan, any of the playing country, you will see the different details. In some other country, you don't need to provide like this grade. You just need to provide your final grade. like 100, 200. So this is how it is. So let me say chemistry. I had chemistry, physics. Let me say C4. Click on add. Computer science. Select. Let me say C5. Add this. So this is how you do it. Very simple. Select this. Click on add new. So after that, send a request to proceed to the next section. So the next section is desire submission. So which program do you want to participate? So my final certificate, my final percentage is this after I select all my program and grade. So let me say desire programs. You can see commerce, education, physics, nursing, medicine, capital, commercial. So this is, let me select program career engineering, building music, faculty of industrial engineering, tourism and hospital, Egypt, also dentistry, law, computer science. Let me go with computer science. So I will click on add desire. So I will click on send request. So the next step is document upload section. So these are the attachment. The first section is your passport. Then aptitude test. This means if you have any aptitude test like IELTS, TOEFL or medium instruction certificate, you upload it here, but it's not mandatory. This is optional document. You can just ignore it if you don't have any IELTS or TOEFL. No, don't go English test. Then the next document is upload my recommendations later. The next document is personal statement, which means statement of purpose, statement of intent, personal statement. So just start a letter explaining the reason why you want to study at Egypt, why you select that program, why you want to study in Egypt and others. And so this is write a strong letter. So let me see which document. Then the last document, which is also optional, other achievement. If you have any academic achievement, kind of certification, so you upload it here. Any kind of document that will support your application, so submit it here. So after that, you click on send request. After sending a request, your application will be submitted successfully. So this is how you submit your application to the Study in Egypt, Ministry of Education in Egypt, fully funded scholarship. I hope this video helps you how you can submit your application successfully without any problem. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. In case if you need our assistance, our team can help you with the complete application and ensure all your documents and information are submitted accurately. You can find details in the video description. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.